After gluing up my various assemblies, my project has sat for 24 hours. I'm going to install a couple clamps on the back leg to help hold the seat up. And then I'm going to add some additional ones on the armrests. And my objective is that I don't want it to fall on me while I'm working on the storage area. And with our longer cleat piece, we will apply a little bit of glue and spread that around. Then we'll install it at the lowest point on our rear seat rail with a few clamps. And we want to continually verify that the bottom edge of that cleat piece is perfectly flush with the bottom edge of our rear rail. And then we can clean up any glue that's squeezed out. And then we'll tack that in place with 1 1/4 inch brad nails. Those clamps can then be removed. We can wipe the glue again and move on to the next piece. Now we are doing both of the long pieces first and then adding the short sides. And with that last one installed, this step is complete.